Hello, my friends. I'm very excited to share these add-on sets with you because chances are you already saw our top banana stamp and die hard set for our clubs. Well, I can never just stop, right? I can never just stop with 4x6 because I get so many ideas. And so I took it a little further. So if you remember, these are the ones from our club set. This is the add-on. So the add-on is down below. Look at what we have here. Let's turn it this way. We're a perfect bunch. So happy we're in the same bunch. Bunches of love. Thanks a bunch. Life is sweet with you. Hi. And a little mini version, which is so cute, of the little ones hugging. So you get the two bananas that are hugging. Then you get the bunch of bananas, which is fun. Of course, couldn't stop there. Oh, well, then, of course, you have all the dies that match, right? All the dies that match. But you'll notice this die, I didn't show you that. What? Well, check it out over here, my friends. I couldn't fit him on that one, so I fit him on this one. Look at this guy. Isn't he the funniest looking thing you ever saw? So you're bananas in the best way. You're the pick of the bunch. Hey, so that'll fit on here. Hello will fit on here. You're the top banana, sending you bunches of smiles. Don't slip up. You're amazing. But look, he can put little things on his sign. I love it. Now, all of those images have dies that match in this one set, okay? So those are add-ons. Now, if you're watching this video when we first release this Stamp and Die Hard set, the first 24 hours these items are on the website, not the club items, but these items, the add-on items, are on our website. They're on flash sale. That means they're on an even better price than normal. We always have amazing prices, and then our club members get a sale every single day at our website, but then you get an extra discount on flash sale days. So go check it out. Now, we have two other items that we have. We have this amazing, amazing background. And if you saw, this is like a piece-it background. We didn't call it a piece-it background, but we probably should have. Look at this background. Is that like the coolest? We're calling it Groovy because it is pretty groovy, right? Isn't that fun? I love that. Now, we also have stencils. If you've never used one of our stencils, you are missing out. I know a lot of people love to color. If I have time, I love to color too. But if I don't have as much time as I would like, I love our stencils because our stencils are etched right where you're going to place your stencil. So you'll know exactly where to lay it and you will be able to stencil these colors on there. And this set comes with 3. Look at that. Also, we've been able to lower our prices on our sets of stencils for the future, for now and upcoming ones. So make sure you go check those out. We do not reorder stencils. Once they're gone forever. So get them now while they're in stock. Once they're gone forever. Okay, let's jump in and look at all the amazing samples because you know my design team. I love to brag about them. They are amazing. So here's a cute one with a little heart step up. Isn't it cute? Look, we're a perfect bunch. I love that. Here's another one. So happy we're in the same bunch. Look at that brick background stencil. Love it. Oh, here's our A2 top fold. Isn't that fun? Look how cute those little guys are. Or, woo, look at our flower, our drop-in A2 flower base. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those cute little bananas. Or you can make your own background paper. Look at this one. Here's another one making your background paper. So fun. I love it. Oh, or you can make a slim line. Look at that big slim line. Yes, you can make these into slim lines if you want to. So fun. Here's another cute one, all decorated and ready to go. See how easy it is with those stencils? It just makes life so much faster to color those. Okay, look how cute this one is. Make your own background cardstock with the words. So much fun. Here's another one with the words. I love it. Isn't that fun? Just changing it up a little tiny bit, all different ways. I love it. Now let's look at that background, that groovy background. I want you to see, here it is with our hermit crabs. Here it is just as part of the background for the banana. Here it is in pinks because you know pink is my favorite color. Look at all the different ways. Now, yes, it can be horizontal or vertical. So the choice is yours. Here's one, happy birthday. Love it. Here's another one that makes it look like water with a card shaker front. Isn't that fun? It's just something totally different, you guys. You are going to love that one. Now, here's that one I showed you originally. So much fun. Now, club members, I know you know that you get 15 to 20% off our entire website every single day. If you're a club member, 15 to 20% off every day. It's like a sale every day you go to our website, right? Every single time. Now, if you get these items the first 24 hours they're on our website, they're also on flash sale. That means you get an extra discount. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And if you're not in the club, go watch that video. I'm just telling you, you have to watch that video. And once you watch that video, the hardest thing you're going to have to ask yourself is which club to join. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.